My earliest memory of Zaki acting. Well, I've always been an actor as a young kid. My earliest memory of being on a stage was at the Panto. I'd say I was around like maybe 4, 5, somewhere around there. And the Panto person, said, "Does anyone want to come up stage?" And I put my hand up straight away. And I rushed downstage, and I was on the stage, and I was in front of an audience, and I just followed his instruction. And yeah, that was my first memory of the performing arts world. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I was my first memory of a school play in primary school was King Herod, and I just remember the feeling that I got afterwards. A lot of mums and all the kids were saying, "Oh, Zach, you're so brilliant," and I got kids coming up saying, "Oh, I want your autograph," and singing the songs I was singing. It's a wonderful feeling. And yeah, I was also a lead in my year 5 or 6 production. It was Edith's Wartime Scrapbook. I played one of the sons, and I had to sing a solo and a duet. And yeah, all I remember was my mum crying, and her telling me that all the other parents were saying that it was wonderful to see me sing and stuff. And I still get praise to it from now, from people I bump into, old friends and stuff like that. So yeah. It was a curriculum and a subject. From year 1 to 9, it was mandatory to do drama, and that was wonderful. It was all right at my school, but I was also training at Silver Young. So at the weekend, on Saturday, every Saturday, I would go into Silver Young, and I would do acting training with a professional actor in a class that was very intimate. So I'd say about maybe 10 pupils, and we'd act for an hour every Saturday. So that's where I got my acting from, and I was on the Silver Young agency, so I was getting work. I got my first paid work in secondary school on the Disney Channel, so I was like a kid actor, and yeah, that was really exciting for me. A lot of new experiences happened there, but in year 10, when you could decide to choose your options for GCSE, I didn't choose drama. I chose music, film, and dance, and I had musical theatre as well as a BTEC. So yeah, I didn't have that drama GCSE experience that a lot of people had, but I did hear about it. We worked very closely with those sort of people, so yeah. I've thought of acting as a career ever since I was on that Panto stage. I've known from the get-go, from the jump, that my career is an acting one or a performing arts one. I've never strayed from the path all my life. I've known that being an actor is who I am. So I did sixth form at my school, at the Brit School. I was at the Brit School for 4 years. I started in 2017 in year 10 and finished my GCSEs there in year 11 and decided to reapply and audition for the sixth form, where I just graduated last year in 2021. You can't compare them. They're too different. The difference is Brit schools in London, I had to take on a lot more responsibility. I've had to travel for the first time. Oriel was only a 5-minute walk away from me. I would say that I matured so greatly going into the Brit School. It forced me to discover who I am. And yeah, it's just that a lot of learning happened at the Brit School. It's a lot more open, a lot more, you get to explore more, and there's so many opportunities coming at you all at once, and it's just a wonderful, amazing experience. You cannot fault it in the slightest. I would definitely recommend it. Not to plug the Brit School, but it's definitely changed who I was, and it's definitely made me the man that I am today. Don't be afraid to take risks. I would say be prepared to be challenged. Be prepared to take a lot of criticism. Be yourself.